What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and restore archived emails in Gmail. If you've accidentally archived an email and need to retrieve it, don't worry. It's still in your account and easy to find. Gmail moves archived emails out of your inbox, but they're not deleted. To restore them, open Gmail on your browser. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and tap on More to expand additional options. Look for All Mail and tap on it. This section contains every email in your account, including archived ones. Now, scroll through your emails or use the search bar at the top to find the specific email you archived. If you remember the sender's name or keywords from the email, type them into the search bar to locate it faster. Once you find the archived email, select it. To move it back to your inbox, select the Move to Inbox button. This will restore the email, and you'll find it in your main inbox as if it was never archived. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.